binary broker called Pocket Options. Now, Pocket Options is something that I like because it's very simple, it's very easy, especially as somebody new, someone who's just starting their journey. You can start this account with as little as $50 and they give you a bonus. So you don't have to come out and start with 250 or 500. You know, Pocket Options allows you to start with as little as $50 and you can actually turn that $50 very quickly. So I'm just going to run through a few of the settings. Right here on the side, you can choose your trading style, your finance, where you want to load your account, your profile, your market, your achievements, your chats, right? Right up here, we're in the demo account. If you drop it down, you will be in the live account. If you click right here, you can change the views. If you want something like an area view, it looks like this. If you want something with the lines, a lot of times people like this view. If you want the traditional candlesticks, you can look at just the candles. If you want something bars or Hakanashi candles, you can look at the however looks good to you that makes it easy for you to look at. I personally like candles. Then right below it is time frame. So you have seconds, 5, 10, 15, 30. You have minutes, and then you have hours, and then you have a day, right? So you can choose whatever time frame you want to look at the chart on. So let's just say we're going to be looking at a 1-minute chart, and we're going to be looking at candles, right? So this every candle is representation of 1 minute because we're on a 1-minute time frame. Right when you drop this down right here, these are going to be your pairs. You can do currencies, you can use cryptocurrencies, commodities, stock, right? You can do that right there. You can do it based off percentages. It's kind of up to you. We're going to be looking at currencies. When you see this OTC, that means that market is that particular market is closed and you're dealing with the broker directly. If you don't see OTC, you're good to go. No, you're not dealing with the broker. You're actually dealing in the market itself. Now you have the percentages right next to it. The percentage is going to tell you how much you're going to be paid out if you were to win that trade. Okay, so let's just say we're going to be looking at USD/CAD. And say I trade this pair a lot. I can actually star it. And as you can see right here, it actually saves it. So let's just save a few, right? We're going to save a few. So it's just easy to kind of click back and forth. All right, but we're going to be looking at USD/CAD. Okay, so we're at USD/CAD. If you go right here, you can actually add indicators. You can add different indicators to your chart. It'll be right below your chart right here. So right now we have the stochastic and we have the RSI just for the example. You can add as many as you want. It just fills up the screen. So if you don't mind looking at a whole bunch of indicators, you know, do whatever works for you. Right here, you can get horizontal, vertical, raise, Fibonacci retracements, trend lines, parallels, rectangles. You can use those tools to mark up your charts and kind of see it better right here. All right, then you have the 3 dots here. This gives you like your time and, you know, there's a little temperature thing. It kind of tells you like the probability of the market. I personally don't use it, but, you know, give it a try. So right here on this side, this is going to be your purchase time, meaning how much time you're willing to dedicate to the particular trade, right? So right now, we click on this flag icon. This is the expiration time, right? So if I click it, I can change this to 1 minute, 30 seconds. I can change this to 5 hours. You know, you can change it to whatever you want. This is going to be how much time you're dedicating to that trade. So let's just say we go to a 1 minute, right? This is going to be equivalent to 1 minute. So we click off, change this right here. Now we're on well, it's not changing. All right, so now we're on a 1 minute trade, meaning that this is going to be a 1 minute chart that we're looking at with a 1 minute time frame for trading. Right below it is the amount you want to invest per trade. So let's just say we wanted to go down to a $10 per trade. So we know the payout on this is going to be $8.20. If we win this trade, we're going to make $8.20. If we lose the trade, we will lose $10. Remember, it goes back to how much you're being paid out. So we're getting paid out 84%. So that 84% of $10 is $8.40. Now you have your red buttons and your green buttons, okay? The green button is going to be a buy. We call it a call. Call. You'll hear people say call. So call means buy. That means that you think price is going to go up. Then we have the red button, which is a sell. If we call that a put, right? Put means going down. So that means that you think price is going to be going in the downward direction, okay? Right here, you have the window, your trade window. Anytime you're in a live trade, you can see it right here in open. Anything that has closed, you can see it right here in closed in your history. Okay, so we're going to leave this for open. We're on a 1 minute trade. We're wagering $10. If we win, we make $8.40. If we lose $10. We're on a 1 minute time chart. So we see how price is here. I'm going to put a buy. So I'm going to do a call. I'm going to press it. You're going to see that it's activated right here. As long as price stays above my entry point is right here. As long as price stays above my entry, I will make the $8.40 plus my initial $10. So you're not making $18, you're only making $8, but they're giving you your $10 back. And you see right here, this is the time, how much time we have. So we have 35 seconds as long as price stays above. So you can see price went down. As long as we're in the green, we're in profit. At any point in time, if this goes white like this, we're not in profit. So it can go back and forth, back and forth. The only thing we have to do is be above our entry price, which is this green line, for the duration of the time. If we close above, we make the $8.40. At any point in time, if it goes back down, we don't close the trade. So we have 7 seconds, 6 seconds, 5, and we're going to see this trade close. We call it closing. We cleared the trade. So you can see right here, congratulations, you have earned $18.40, of which we only made $8.40. So now we go to close. We'll see that we actually cleared the trade right here. It tells us the percentage. It tells us what we made. We're in a buy for USD CAD. Trading with pocket options is that simple. It's not hard. It's extremely easy. Depending on what products and platform you're using, you can do this in 30 seconds, 1 minute, 1 hour, 1 day. Totally up to you. I find it to be one of the easiest brokers to use, and the fact that you can start with $50 pocket options will be definitely something I recommend to a new person starting their HFX journey. The only thing that pocket options does not offer is the rollover option, meaning that if you happen to be in a trade and you know that you're coming close to the time, you can actually roll it over. You'll get additional time and it'll drop your winning percentage down. So pocket options does not offer the rollover option, but outside of that, I think it's a really, really great broker. I haven't had any problems with it, and I hope you use it, you win, and you have an amazing, amazing journey.